Okay, so question 1b. We have a cube and we have an angle made by the two internal diagonals. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I've just labeled all the vertices. So when I draw my 2D shapes here, you'll be able to see what they are. Okay. So the first thing we know is that diagonals here are going to split each other in two. They're going to meet at their midpoints. So to find A to this meeting point here, it's half of A to G or E to C. So then what I want to actually find is E to C or A to G. So if I think E to C, to find E to C, this length here is X. Okay, well let it be X, you can let it be L, you can let it be whatever you like, okay? That's X. So what I actually need to work out is the diagonal of that face, okay? And then I have this right angle triangle. So if I draw out the base E, F, G, H, okay? I know that GH is X and I know that EH is X because all the lengths are the same in a cube. So that's X and X. So to find GE squared is X squared plus X squared, 2X squared. So the length G to E is root 2X. Okay, my square root. Now, I now know this length here. So if I draw the next triangle with my diagonal that I'm looking for and the diagonal of the base, this is E to G, E to G, okay. This is A to E, and then I have A to G, okay. And AG is what I'm looking for, and then I'm going to halve it to find that length, okay. So I know E to G is root 2x, and I know A to E is x. So again, AG squared is x squared plus root 2x to be squared, which is 3x squared. So A to G is root 3x. Okay, and then if I draw the triangle I'm interested, AE to this, I'll call it M for the midpoint up here, this midpoint up here. This is A, this is E. So this is X. Now, I know that A all the way to G and E all the way to C is root 3x. So this is root 3 over 2x. So, and this is what I'm looking for here. Call it A, the angle. So now I have all three sides. Okay, now I have all three sides. I'm going to use cosine rule. Because if I have all three sides, I can find any angle. It's up to you whether you rearrange here for cosine sub in, or sub in and then rearrange. I tend to sub in and then rearrange, but again, up to you, okay? So x is A, it's opposite the angle. So x squared root 3 over 2 x squared plus root 3 over 2x 3 squared minus 2 root 3 over 2 root 3 over 2, sorry, these are both x, cosine A. So x squared equals root 3 squared is 3, 2 squared is 4, so it's 3 over 4 x squared. This is also 3 over 4 x squared. Minus root 3 by root 3 is 3. 2 by 2 is 4. So we get 2 by 3 over 4 x squared cosine A. Okay, x squared equals, add these together, I now have 6 over 4 x squared minus 6 over 4 x squared cosine A. Okay. It's up to you. At this case, apologies. Let's see. Okay. At this case, you could multiply across by 4. Might make it life a little bit easier. 4x squared equals 6x squared minus 6x squared cosine A. So take 6x squared away from both sides, you get minus 2x squared equals 6x squared minus cosine A. Divide by minus 6, I have minus 2x squared over minus 6x squared equals cosine A. So cosine A is minus over minus plus x squared over x squared becomes 1, and 2 over 6 is a third.